What's up, placebos? It's your girl Deadly D and Walks and Thoughts with me. And today is my birthday. Full revolution around the sun. And I'm happy to be here through all of my trials and tribulations. I have reached the end of another decade. Next year will be the start of a new decade. I'm not going to say what my age is, but those of you who know, you know. Thank you, everyone who has been an incredible source of light and love to me. Thank you for the people who have always supported me and just been my rocks, my squad, my people. You know who you are. Anywho, I'm happy. I'm very happy that today is my birthday. Yay! So stay healthy, stay aware, and stay up. Urban Poison.